Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alvina Fianda. Okay, I will talk to presentation about business process re-engineering or BPR and lean operation. Efficient without any changes in the organizational structure and function of the business process itself. This BPR was first written and published by Hammer 1990 and Davenport and Short 1990 and Hammer and Champy 1994. Reengineering is the fundamental rethinking and radical redesign of business processes to achieve dramatic improvements in critical contemporary measures. Moving to next slide, the 6 steps recommended by Davenport 1993. Step 1. Identify the vision and aims. This step focuses on all follow-up actions based on a company's vision and target processes. In this regard, Davenport 1993 cautions that in addition to cost reduction, worker satisfaction, reduction in production time, and performance enhancement should also be prioritized. Next, step 2, identify the business process. This step helps identify business processes that need to be redesigned. Thus, according to Davenport 1993, the BPR team has to direct its attention on several important core processes. There are identify the process to re-engineer, analyze the current situation, process redesign, come up with alternative laboratory testing, redesign process implementation, change management, business process re-engineering as the current best methodology for improving the business process. Step 3. Understand and assess the process. This step needs to assess the accurate function and performance of the selected business process. In fact, this step essentially differentiates this methodology with Hammer's methodology. Step 4. Information technology. The aim of this step is to study the suitability of the use of IT hardware and software for the newly designed work process. Step 5. Prototyping process. This step encompasses the function of prototype design that match the newly designed business process. The last one, implementation. In this final step, the prototype will be tested throughout the organization prior to its implementation. Notably, this step is not the most important step of all to ensure the success of the BPR of the organization. Moving to next slide, lean operations. Lean operation is a business strategy driven by the principle of doing more with less. It is a minimalist approach to running a business and improving day-to-day operations. In other words, lean operation is all about putting a little Marie Kondo-like efficiency into your workflows. The ultimate goal of creating a lean environment is to cut costs and eliminate wasted energy, resources, and time. This is usually achieved through building a deliberate workforce structure, an optimized facility, and refined processes. Why is lean operations important? Running a business as efficiently as possible might seem like an obvious goal, but even the more business leaders can easily get bogged down in the day-to-day operations. It's easy to forget to take a step back and take stock of the organization on a more holistic level. Moving to next slide, for a lean operation strategy, there are 1. Assess your organization. Before you can make changes, you need to evaluate your organization alternative strategies that are more time and cost efficient than how they are now. Next, step 3. Streamline communications. To truly have a lean operations management approach, communication needs to be direct and enterprise-wide. 4. Restructure your workforce and include them in lean transformation. As part of evaluating your organization, you will need to examine every role in your workforce. The last one, embrace automation. A lot of company waste happens due to human error. From administrative function to production lines, many tasks can now be automated to avoid costly errors and workflow disruptions. Okay, moving to next slide, I would like to show you the video industry about BPR, Business Process Reengineering. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.